Okay, hello everyone. So this is PROJACK'S webinar 2190604, and we are going to start live now. All right, the first thing that we should look at is a gold, because I have already published my shared my thought through a very detailed video. If you see my trading view post, you should understand what is my plan, right? And we do follow the gold from the after my analysis, right? And we find that gold has been broken this channel, right? Finally it's broken. Okay, good. So broken the channel and then retested. And in the afternoon, we have a 618 short. We capture the profit from 1326 to 1319, right? And just now, due to the Powell's speak, and the gold have a very tremendous rally to quickly retest a high, right? So this is what we call a 2618 trade, because, okay, because we can see that there is a double top formed, right? Okay, this is double top formed, and the neckline was broken. All right, okay, neckline was broken and retest. We are ready to short it one more time, right? We are ready to short it one more time, and we see a pink bar form, and what you guys should do is you should sell, right? Just sell the gold one more time, stop loss above the new high, because it's very hard for the gold to break 1330, right? Just stop loss above 1330, and I think that would be a good trade, right? So this is the first trade that I'm giving today, if you haven't done the gold short yet, right? The reason is daily chart I have already mentioned, because the gold has been rallied too much, and it's likely to test this 1.618 reversal extension. And also you can see, if we measure from the Fibonacci extension from this wave, it also hit the 1.618 level. And look left, what do we have? Okay, we have something here, and we can see that the gold has a structure that was we call this a supply zone here, because it actually formed the 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, stay in the same zone, and then break down and retest. Tells us there's a lot of sellers in this zone, right? And what we can do is we can just measure the consolidating area. We can see that the gold didn't actually break through this level, although the trend is so strong, right? But you don't need to be scared. Don't be panic, right? Just to watch it happen, just to watch it test the place, and look into the smaller time frame when the breakdown, right? When the breakdown the channel, that is our opportunities, right? Still is retesting this kind of triangle, right? You can see just now here, the very long pin bar shows a lot of sellers from there. Okay, so stop loss above 1330, and let's aim for a big drop. Okay, a big drop. So the big drop can potentially give us about maybe more than 300 pips, I think. Maybe more than $30, because right now the gold is at a 1323, right? If we go to the 4-hour chart, we can see that it's this rally is no stop, right? No stop. So the minimum retracement for this rally could be 0.382, right? So it's 1308, close to the previous structure here. All right, remember when I told that when the pivot was broken, then this place is going to become support. So you shouldn't just do nothing when you are short reach to this level. You should actually probably close half, or close maybe 2/3, and ready to for a bounce, and then it may have another drop to 618. This is a typical how the market moves, right? It will never give you a one shot down big red candle, like just to all the way go to 1295. It takes time and take into tranches, into different two waves, right? We call it ABCD patterns. Okay, but right now let's just focus on short of gold. Above new high, we exit, right? Otherwise, we keep on shorting. This place is just like last time when gold is reaching 1346, I think. You can go back and check the price action there, right? It's quite much looks similar here. Okay, It's just keeps riding, no stop, right? From 1324 to 1346, also a $20 above move, okay? And then sideways for a few days, and then boom, 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 okay? Order back, just get the way order back, okay? And then starts a very quick drop after that. So a top was formed. It takes some days, all right? So right now we can see here, right? It's still after a strong rally, and now the price finally is consolidating, right? And we know that this consolidating area, right, is very important, right? Because if this one still can break up, it means the gold will still have the momentum to go higher. And that's why we should add a stop loss above the 1330 level, right? So this is the hard stop loss level. If anything happens, no matter what caused the gold rally, right? Just need to see the price, whether it is below 1330. If it is above 1330, right? No hesitation, just exit all the trade, because we don't want to short when the new high was created. We only want to short when the strong rally after consolidation, and we want to short from the consolidation, the top, right? So that we can at least we can have this gain, and maybe we can have this gain, right? It is very easy for the gold to come down when the buyers failed to break new high. It will comes back anytime, all right? So this is for the gold, and let's do another thing is for the dollar index. Okay, the dollar index, I think makes putting a double top first, all right? So what we can do is we can measure the 97.53 level and wait for the price to come back and to give a shot, right? Although you don't need to give a shot once it comes back. You can maybe you can also use a 2618 trade to give you a hint. Maybe you can wait for this place, 197.85, right? I would think that if you short from 97.85 would be better, right? Because we can see here the rotation really comes, right? This is a high, this is a new high, and then the high is coming down, and then we should wait for the pullback. Maybe 618 will be the best place to short the XY, right? Hello, Manu. Sterling yen, yeah, sure. Answer a question from Sterling yen. Breakout and retest of range, good to long with price action. Yes, you are right. Sterling yen, actually, we already long. A lot of times when we see a very strong support was formed about 136.60. Okay, and then now we can see here this is a triangle break. Okay, this triangle was broken, and the best buying opportunities when you see this area was break and retested. Okay, you see here, right? It retests to 136.80. That's the time you should buy. Right now, you can still buy because we can see that the buyer has already took make this resistance become support. So you can also consider to buy the sterling yen right now, okay? Because we are making a higher high and higher lows, okay? You can buy the sterling yen now, stop loss just below 136.50. That'd be good, okay? Yeah, that would be good. So let's go for the euro, okay? The euro in the last week webinar, anyone still remember? Anyone? What did I say in the last webinar? I said this could be a second test of the new low, right? Of the previous low. And if the price cannot break 1.1107, what it should do? Anyone? Remember in last webinar, you can check the recordings in YouTube. I said when the euro failed to break this level, it's good to buy, right? It's good to buy. And now you earned about 150 pips, which is 1,005 US dollar if you long by one contract. Anyone remembers this trade? And there's a very nice price action here. If you understand this, this is an inside bar breaks up. Okay, so you can trade this inside bar breaks up when the price is in a very, very important support. Okay, and hence you can actually enjoy the whole rally. And I think the euro has already finished the first target, all right, almost hit 1.1280. Now it's coming back, and the neckline was formed just like the DXY neckline was formed here. So if the euro can be above 1.1220, oh sorry, above 1.1210, all right, it's still a bullish move, Just get ready to pull back and buy again. And this time I think the euro is going to break this place and going to test the previous high like 1.1324, or maybe this place like 1.1410. That will be the good target zone of the buying euro. But remember, where's our trend? Anyone remember? We are bullish or bearish of euro? Are we bullish or bearish? We want to buy or we want to sell? Anyone? Yeah. Just remember the direction, right? Because we have a higher high and higher lows. So waiting for a pullback to buy the euro all the way. Okay, buy the euro. All right, for the sterling, I think last week, sterling is coming down, right? And we have I think I have our first trade was stop. Okay, it's here. The first trade is taking at a 1.2650, stop at a 1.26, and it was hit down, stop. Okay, after the hit, after the stop loss was triggered, and we just find another opportunities is when the time the sterling forms this kind of a V shape, right? So the V shape looks like this, all right? Very sharp move, and then very sharp back, and it breaks new high. So this is a V shape. So after the V shape formed, immediately we find the neckline of the V shape is here, right? And that's why I published in TradingView. I said, as long as 1.2550 here, okay, this is a very nice place to buy, and it implies the sterling is going to flip up, going to rise, right? So right now, what you can see here, the sterling have a very nice move, already hit 1.27, right? And I think the overall the sterling will have a gain because the bottom was tested. Okay, the bottom was really tested. 1.26 is very strong support, and I think the rally will not end only here. It will rally to 1.28070. Okay, we are ready to minimum to this place. All right. Can we consider a broken V shape with a long wick, or when close entirely above the V neckline? You should be see a candle outside the V, outside the neckline, like this, right? What is most important is you have to measure the previous high of the first drop, okay, and then you see whether it can break the level. Of course, in 1 hour chart, this is a wick, right? But if you go to 30 minutes charts, it actually is a strong candle, right? And this wick just tells you that it's pullback, right? So pull back to the place you should buy, right? So just you have to use different time frame to help you to understand how the market moves, right? Okay, so dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is getting from a bottom in the 108 level, because we go to 4 hour chart, it still sits above this level, okay, which is formed in the, I think it's in January, if I'm not wrong. Just waiting for the candles to come. Ooh, happened. All right, yes, here it is. Okay. All right, so if you remember that in January 2nd, there's a quick drop from here, right? Okay, and then they actually hit all those buyers stop loss, right? And it's also a V shape. This is also a V shape, right? So a V shape, and let's see where is the neckline. Is is something here, right? Something here, right? So we can just use the horizontal line to give us the hint of the neckline place. And you can see here is well tested. Okay, and now the dollar yen is testing the neckline of the V shape again. And what is the price action tells us? Did buyers show their face? Yes, right? The buyer really shows their hands. Otherwise, the price will just keep dropping, right? So we already have a higher lows. And what we lacking is a higher high. Okay, so just watch if the dollar yen can break 1080.40, right? Just watch. If the dollar yen can breaks up and you don't want to waste the pullback place to buy it again. Of course, you can buy it now because it is sitting on a supporting zone. So dollar yen is strong buy from 107.80 or 1080 level, right? Just put your stop loss below 107.50. That will do, okay? And then what we can see here is the dollar yen has already gives us this beautiful 1.272 extensions. If you see it here, right? So the first wave, this is the first wave, and then after pullback, and then we have a second wave coming down, and it stopped here. So potentially we have a cipher pattern, right? So this is a cipher pattern that we can set to determine where is our target. So target is about 0.786 level, right? And we can targeting 111.42, right? So dollar yen, right? Strong move up. Let's try to get this all these 300 pips. Are you ready? Do you want to get this? Do you want to get this ready for the dollar yen? Right, a potential move about 300 pips. Right, so just buy from 108 and aim for 111. Right, but of course you should take some profit when it hits this previous structure, hit this B point. Right, just to remember to slowly take your profit and then add it back when the structure was retested. Okay, because really the dollar yen has already found the bottoms. Okay, and the same thing about sterling yen, right? So that's why we can see that all the yen pairs are really hits into very low place. Okay, and the sterling yen, if you look at here today, is actually a reversal pattern, right? This is a reversal pattern, a strong drop, small candle, and this is a bullish engulfing starts. Okay, so sterling yen also reversal. Okay, euro yen same. Euro yen we can buy again, same thing. Aussie yen still the same. Just all the yen pairs you can consider to buy because all of the yen pairs are in a very, very cheap place and it's easy to catch a swing trade all the way back to the previous high. Okay, so these are the opportunities from the yen pairs, right? And thanks for that. Thanks for Trump. Thanks for the trading war, right? Otherwise, the dollar yen won't come back so quickly. And that's why that's a place that we want to capture the cheap price to buy. Okay, any questions? No question. Let's just move on. Okay, for the Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar in the last webinar, I said there's a gap here, if you remember, right? And I said we can buy from this level. And then I said after the first rally, look for the pullback, if you remember. Okay, and you can see that, yeah, it is successfully pulled back to the neckline here. And now even the Aussie has Australian bank has decreased the rate. However, it is fully priced in. That's why the Aussie is still moving on. Okay, so Aussie we already have a very nice profit. Right, so just hold your allowance because all this previous resistance won't be working until here. I think the Aussie will easily hit 0.7080. Right, that's my target for the Aussie. And the same idea for the Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar is also a buy, right? And in last Friday, there's actually a very nice buying opportunities when it forms to this 618 level, right? And you can see a lot of price actions here, right? Pin bar, okay, pin bar, second pin bar, right? And then bullish engulfing, right? And then it's a shooting star, but it didn't break down the low, and that's why for this week the Kiwi also rally very well. So the Kiwi dollar also a strong rally. It's coming, and let's just get ready to buy. Yes, higher high and higher lows. So trend is changed. Okay, for Kiwi trend is changed, right? And I'm so happy that a lot of my students captured this buy from the 618 level, right? That's very good and also very clever. Okay, come back to gold and let's check in what happened now right? Anything, right? You see here the strong pin bar shows the sellers coming back, also stop here and then dropping off. So you just, all you need to do is just need to measure the 618 level, and remember, as long as the gold is below the 618 level, right, it will have another fall. We have another fall because the whole move, this is the first move, then that is a pullback to the here and may have another fall. So just short gold from 1325.51. I think that will be okay. Okay, times go come back to oil, right? Oil, we have 4-hour chart. Oil is coming to the 52 level and already, I think it's almost hit the 618, but not yet. 618 is at a 51.60. So just be careful. The oil is still very, very bearish, right? Since the last week I said there's inside bar breaks down, right? It turns a very bearish wave, and I think the wave will end from here. 51.60 right now is still not yet come, so don't buy the oil first because it may still create a new low, right? Although the first rally was quite strong and some people are trying to buy from here, but you can see it didn't work very well. There's no buyers considered to pushing the higher. So I think the Aussie, we can, the oil, we can wait for 51.60 and check the price action here. Check the price action here, all right? For the dollar Canadian, anyone listen to my advice and short from 1.3560? Anyone? If you remember by my last webinar, I said here, this is a place that I want to take all my profit from the long position from 1.34, and I want to take a short. And if you take short from there, wow, you earn 100 pips. It's easy money, right? So you have to really to come to my webinar and listen to the recordings and to write down all those good trades. Remember, I said in my last webinar, I said I'm telling you a lot of trading setups in my webinars, and all you need to do is to remember that and measure the important plays, right, so that you can find those good trades. Anyone join this dollar Canadian short? Anyone? Just give me your, just to reply me if you remember. All right, 1.3565. I really mentioned this place, right? The neckline here, and shows a pin bar, right? After you can also short it when the pin bar was formed, and then short it when the pin bar's head was broken, right? It's all by my teaching method. You can catch this wave. Okay, so dollar Canadian may start to declining, all right? I think you breaks the overall the triangle here. Okay, it may break here and all the way to 1.30 maybe. So this is tells us the whole dollar Canadian move has ended, right? Has ended. Like last time we hit to 1.37. Now it's come to, didn't really go beyond this level, and this channel was a very long time, right? If this channel was broken, it will tells you that okay, it comes to the 618 of 1.27, 1.26, right? That is also a huge move for dollar Canadian. All right, good. Let's go to S&P. So S&P, okay, find support from here, from 2721, and this is a reversal sign, okay, reversal sign. And remember last webinar I said when 2800 was broken, whether we can capture a short, right? It did gives us this pullback, right? And it's inside the bar, okay? So you should close all your short and ready to get go into the long with the S&P. Okay, in 4-hour chart, it's just similar as dollar yen. A double top was a double bottom was formed. Okay, a double bottom was formed, and then that's how you need to trade is you need to trade the pullback. Okay, to neckline. Pullback to neckline or 618, both you can use to buy. So S&P, we intend to buy. Okay, all right. Let's see what the cryptos has been doing. Okay, the Bitcoin reached 9,000 last week, and now it's come to ABCD patterns, right? So I will be interested to buy these ABCD patterns, right? Because it really gives me a very good place to buy. and there is the inside bar breaks up. So do you want to join the trade? Do you want to buy Bitcoin from $7,900 level? I think you probably will have another rally to at least 8,004 or even higher place. Okay, because ABCD patterns form and the structure was retested. Okay, the low was supported from here and it's can start to bounce. All right, so Bitcoin also a very nice to buy. Any questions? No questions? Okay, no questions means good. Means you all follow up, right? You all agree and listen. You can understand what I'm talking, right? All right. Nasdaq. Okay, a very quick drop in last yesterday, right? And then forms a doji, and then small handle, small candle, and then a bullish candle starts, and now it's coming up. So Nasdaq also can consider to buy, and more importantly, Nasdaq has already hit the 1.618 extensions most likely, right? So if the Nasdaq can be stabilized from 6,900, I think it will go up, right? It will go up maybe to 7.2 or maybe 7.5. All right. Okay. So I think I have covered all the markets, right? Amazon. Okay. See. Amazon. Wow. Yeah, Amazon. All right. A very strong correction. Very strong correction hits into these horizontal levels of support from here. Right. Okay. It's also a V shape. Last time is there's a V shape here, and then this gap. You can see here there's a gap. Okay, the gap was filled and start to rally. So Amazon, I will think it's a time to buy. Good to buy. Amazon. All right. So any questions? If no questions, I will talk about the agenda for my course in June. All right. So you all know that I'm going to host my live course. Live course are in June 22nd. Okay. So let me just show you what it will happen. All right. So the place will be in UOB Conference Hall, 8 Anthony Road, right? It's June 22nd, June 23rd. Right now, there's only 5 seats left, only five seats left, because a lot of existing students are coming to Singapore to retake the course, as I promised that you all can retake my course for free if you already learned my course previously. And there will be 2 days course. Okay, so I think the date is something is wrong. It actually starts from 9 o'clock, right? From 9:30 in the morning. Okay, and then it will goes to end about 6 p.m. in the afternoon. So in the first day and the second day, we will teach the comprehensive, my full trading course, and the course will be recorded and also be uploaded to YouTube for my members only. So if you want to join my course, just send me an email, because I'm going to give a 20% discount for the last 5 lucky men. All right? Yeah, Russell. Yeah, Russell, I know you'll be here because you tell me that you're coming from Canada, right? Yeah, it's really good to meet all of you in Singapore, because it's from the last time I hold my course in Singapore in live. If you remember, it's actually 3 years ago. Exactly 3 years ago. That is the first batch, right? That is the first batch. Yeah, you can see here. Last time was in 2018. February. It's actually 2017. Okay. So I can't remember. Can't wait for you guys to come. All right. So for those who want to come, already send me an email. You will have just to remember to bring your email confirmation before you join. For new students, please send me an email also. Right. I will check the payment, and I will release the. I will send you an email confirmation so that you can attend. California, yeah. All right, Russell, welcome. For all students, we can retake for free. Yeah. Yes, I already sent in the WhatsApp students group because this conference hall is quite big. It can contain about 30 to 40 people, right? But I'm only considered to open about 20 seats. I have to leave some seats for the new students so that they can join, right? For the retaking, you just need to send me an email to confirm. Okay. So so don't waste for the 2 days course because it's really hard for me to get the location, right? And now the UBK here is supporting the full place, the avenue, and I'm also have I have 2 days free time to give us this course. All right, so what you can do is you can go to harmonicasia.com, right, and just register for the course, sign up for the course, and then you drop me an email. I will tell you how to get a 20% discount. Yeah. Okay. So I'm waiting for you to tell you how to beat the market, how to beat yourself, right? How to get a more profitable trade, how to find a more high quality trade. Okay. It's not the stocks or bonds that is the best investment, but it's just yourself. Okay. You have to invest your brain first before you want to become a good trader. All right. So don't forget to send me an email, right? So that you can have a very nice you know all the cost details, and I will send you the discount vouchers as well. All right. So send an email to harmonicasia.com at gmail.com, and I will reply to you soon. Sir, could you give advice on Euro Sterling short? All right, let's start at Euro Sterling. Euro Sterling, because okay, not yet to short because Euro Sterling may goes to this place. So pay attention to 0.8950. Okay, pay attention to this place. Okay, and start to short. Not now. Not now. I will. Or you can also use some same method, just like the gold. Right. You have to measure this channel, right? Wait for it to break down and retest it. Break down, retest it. And then you start to find the bearish patterns to short. Right? Not yet. Stock, CRON. Okay, sure. Let's see the stock CRON. Okay, the CRON looks like long-term bearish already starts. There is some important level about here, but it's hard to say that it will flips up from here. So if you want to buy, I think it's okay. You can start to trying to buy, and all you need to do is to set your stop loss below the low, right? Below the low. If the new low was created, just exit the trade. Okay, just exit trade, and you don't want to aim too much. The first level is about 16. But here, second target will be, you can use the Fibonacci level to measure. Maybe we can use the 618 to give us a very nice buy, but 20.67. Okay, here, that is a long-term target. Yes, it is 618 level, I know. But because this, I have no idea about what does this company do, so you have to check the fundamental side. Make sure there's no bearish news of this company. Right? If the price just drop as S&P declines, I think it's okay to buy. All right, good. So I think that's all for today. And guys, let's meet in Singapore in June 23rd. Sorry, 22nd. Right? Let's meet here. Right, I'm going to tell you all about tradings. All right, so send me an email to harmonicasia@gmail.com, and I will reply you soon. Yeah. Oh, sure, AB. Welcome. Yeah, that's the point. Why I make webinars, because I want to give you guys constant support, right? So you have better directions, a better idea, right? Look at the gold, right? It's doing good. It's doing good. All right, that's all for today. Thanks, and see you next time, right? So to enroll to only last 5 seats available, right? I'm pretty sure that maybe after this webinar, the seats will all gone. So to enroll, please remember to send me an email, right? monica@gmail.com. Only last 5 seats available, right? In the if you're a local Singaporean, right, there'll be best opportunities, right? You don't need to fly all the way from the USA, from the California, right? Okay, sure. And take care. Good luck. Bye bye. See you next time.